Getting clear on fees is a crucial part of managing your money, and Beam Wallet is no different. The thing is, Beam Wallet refers to a couple of different services, each with its own fee structure. Let's break down the main categories so you know exactly what to expect. If you're using Beam for a business to accept payments, like in a store or online, you're dealing with payment processing fees. These are a percentage of the transaction and vary depending on the payment method your customer uses. For example, credit and debit cards start around 1.80% for non-premium cards and go up for premium, overseas, or American Express cards. Other methods, like mobile banking, are lower, around 0.45%, while e-wallets can be around 2.95%. These rates are straightforward transaction costs with no hidden monthly fees. Now, if your Beam wallet is for the crypto asset Beam, the fee structure changes. When you're dealing with cryptocurrencies, you need to consider two main things: the Beam platform fee and network or gas fees. For transactions involving crypto, Beam charges a fee of 3%, and for stablecoins, that fee is 1%. Beyond that, you'll also pay the standard, variable network or gas fee associated with the specific blockchain the transaction is happening on. These gas fees are not controlled by Beam but are necessary for the network to process and secure your transfer. Finally, keep in mind that if you're buying or selling Beam on a centralized crypto exchange like Binance or Kraken, that exchange will have its own separate withdrawal fees, which are completely distinct from any Beam wallet fees. Always check the exact fee amount inside the app before you confirm any transaction. Transparency is key to smart money management.